Hey there, guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the men out there who want to achieve that coveted V-shaped body. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your fitness game to the next level, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in and learn how to get that V-shaped body. Number 1. Understanding the V-shaped body. Before we get into the workout routines, let's take a quick look at what exactly a V-shaped body means. A V-shaped body is characterized by broad shoulders and a narrow waist, creating that V appearance. It not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also contributes to better posture and overall strength. Number 2. Nutrition and diet. Nutrition is the foundation of any fitness journey, so let's talk about the right diet to achieve that V-shape. Focus on a balanced diet that includes lean proteins like chicken, turkey, fish, and tofu. These will help in building muscle while keeping your calorie intake in check. Don't forget healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, as they are essential for hormone production. Include plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables to get essential vitamins and minerals for recovery and overall health. And of course, stay hydrated by drinking enough water throughout the day. Number 3. Upper body workout. Now, let's move on to the workout routines that target your upper body, especially the shoulders, chest, and back. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to work out at least 3-4 times a week. 1. Shoulder press, 3 sets for 10-12 reps. 2. Bent over rows, 3 sets for 10-12 reps. 3. Pull-ups or lat pull-downs, 3 sets for 10-12 reps. 4. Push-ups or bench press, 3 sets for 10-12 reps. 5. Dumbbell lateral raises, 3 sets for 12-15 reps. Number 4. Core exercises. To get that narrow waist and strengthen your core, incorporate these exercises into your routine. 1. Planks, 3 sets for 30-60 seconds. 2. Russian twists, 3 sets for 15-20 reps. 3. Bicycle crunches, 3 sets for 15-20 reps per side. 4. Leg raises, 3 sets for 10-12 reps. Number 5. Cardio and fat burning. Don't forget to include some cardio to help shed excess fat and reveal those muscles. Mix in activities like running, cycling, or swimming, and aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week. Number 6. Rest and recovery. Remember, rest and recovery are crucial for muscle growth and overall well-being. Make sure to get enough sleep and give your muscles time to recover between workouts. Well, there you have it, guys. A comprehensive guide on how to achieve that V-shaped body. Stay dedicated, be patient, and most importantly, enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy. See you soon.